What's your name? Yay! Very good. Hannah, how are you, Hannah? I'm happy. How old are you, Hannah? How old are you? How old are you? 4 years old. I'm 4. Good. Are you ready, Hannah? Hannah, ready? Yes. Yes. Look at that Hannah. Tell me, what is it? It's a book. Next, it's a swing. On it. It's a swing. Yes, it's a this one. What is it? Hannah, what is it? It's a what is it? Yay! Book. Next, it's a monkey. Good. It's a sand. What are you looking? Focus. Sand castle. Yes. Now you are focused. What is it? Good job, flower. Next, what is it? What is it? Crayon. Very good. Next. What is it? See? Yay! What is it? Slide. Yay! Slide. Okay. What color? What color is it? Green. Yes, green. Next. Red. Green and red. Next, brown. Next. Pink. Yay! Everybody's favorite. Now let's move on to number. What number is it? Number
1.
Good job. Number. Good job. Next. 3. And number 4. Very good, Hannah. Good job. Okay, here, Hannah. Which one is stop? Where is stop? Stop. Yay! Good job. Next. Which one is stand up? Stand up. Yay! Say the word stand up. Good. Here. Which one is turn around? Say the word. What's this? Turn. Wow! Great job. Next. Which one is play in the sandbox? Play in the sandbox. Play in the sandbox. Wow! What is this? Play in the sandbox. Good. Which one is slide down the slide? Slide down the slide. Slide down the slide. Oh, where is the slide down? Slide down. Yes. Very good. Last one. Which one is swing on the swings? Swing on. Oops. Wow. Great job. Give me a high five. Yay. Now put your hands on the table and say goodbye, teacher. Goodbye. See you again.